So sis, I'm back with video number 2. Since I don't have any music playing, that was my theme song. Skin is prepped and primed, my eyebrows are done. And if you do want to see how I did my eyebrows, then just go to my first video. It's not exactly the same, but like I told y'all in that video, every day, different way. So, let's get into it. So here I'm just applying my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in the color F13. Sis, that was a mouthful. But yeah, so I'm blending it out as if my life depended on it, sis, with both my sponge and my blurring brush by Real Techniques. So clearly I was kidding when I said less is more, so I had to apply more foundation underneath my eyes and to the remainder of my face to just make sure it was an even layer. And if I don't leave you with anything else in this video, please blend your foundation on your neck. There's nothing worse than 2 different tones on one body. The concealer that I'm using is Fawn by L.A Girl Pro. I applied it with a medium-sized concealer brush and I'm blending it out with my sponge, which is wet. Please wet your sponge. I'm using my Makeup Revolution setting powder in the color Terracotta. I'm applying it with a dense blending brush only because when I apply it this way, it stops me from creasing under my eye, which I normally do a lot. Contouring just to add a little bit more dimension to my face. The contour that I'm using is by Black Radiance in the darkest color I could find. I don't remember the name and it peeled off, so I will put it in the description box. And as you can see, when I don't wear any eyeshadow, I do contour my eyes. So I just apply a little bit of that contour shade to my eyelid just to give that a more natural look. We are going to drown ourselves in setting spray. This is the way to make it not move, okay? The setting spray that I'm using is Milani, the Make It Last Matte setting spray. And even though I set it and I already blended everything out, I just like to dab that setting spray into the areas that I highlighted. blush that I'm adding to my cheeks is by e.l.f. in the color Mellow Move. So I'm applying my highlighter in the color Bronze by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So off camera, I applied my eyelash